Join me as I dive deep into the world of SPXS stock and try to predict if it's really going to explode in 2025. SPXS stock, also known as the Direction Daily S&P 500 Bear 3X shares, has been a topic of interest for many investors lately. This ETF, which aims to provide 3x inverse exposure to the S&P 500 index, has seen significant fluctuations in its value. With the market being as unpredictable as it is, it's natural to wonder what's in store for SPXS stock in 2025. The current market landscape is filled with challenges for SPXS stock. Market volatility is one of the main concerns, as it directly affects the stock's performance. Investor sentiment also plays a crucial role, with many investors being cautious due to the uncertain economic environment. Additionally, the ongoing geopolitical tensions and trade disputes have added to the market's unpredictability. These factors have led to a decrease in investor confidence, making it difficult for SPXS stock to gain traction. Investor sentiment is particularly important when it comes to SPXS stock, as it's often seen as a hedge against market downturns. However, with the market being as volatile as it is, many investors are hesitant to take on the risk. The recent market fluctuations have led to a significant decrease in investor confidence, which has negatively impacted SPXS stock. Furthermore, the rise of other investment options, such as bonds and gold, has provided investors with alternative ways to hedge against market risks. The economic indicators are also crucial in understanding the future performance of SPXS stock. A strong economy with low unemployment and rising GDP can lead to a decrease in the stock's value, as investors become more confident in the market. On the other hand, a weak economy with high unemployment and low GDP can lead to an increase in the stock's value, as investors seek safe haven assets. The current economic indicators are mixed, with some pointing to a slowdown in economic growth, while others suggest a continued expansion. Market trends are another essential factor to consider when analyzing SPXS stock. The current trend is bearish, with many investors betting against the stock. However, trends can change quickly, and a sudden shift in market sentiment can lead to a surge in the stock's value. It's essential to keep a close eye on market trends and adjust investment strategies accordingly. The performance of SPXS stock is also influenced by its competitors in the market. Other inverse ETFs, such as the ProShares Short S&P 500, provide investors with alternative options to hedge against market risks. The competition among these ETFs can lead to a decrease in fees and an increase in investor choice. However, it also means that SPXS stock must differentiate itself from its competitors to attract investors. Analyzing the factors mentioned earlier, it's possible to make some predictions about SPXS stock's potential for explosive growth in 2025. If the market continues to be volatile and investor sentiment remains cautious, SPXS stock could see a significant increase in value. Additionally, if the economic indicators point to a slowdown in economic growth, investors may seek safe haven assets, leading to an increase in the stock's value. Some experts predict that SPXS stock could reach new heights in 2025, driven by market volatility and investor demand for safe haven assets. However, others are more cautious, citing the potential for a market rebound and a decrease in the stock's value. Ultimately, the future performance of SPXS stock will depend on a variety of factors, including market trends, economic indicators, and investor sentiment. To make informed investment decisions, it's essential to stay up to date on market developments and analyze the factors influencing SPXS stock. This includes monitoring economic indicators, market trends, and competitor analysis. By doing so, investors can make educated decisions about whether to invest in SPXS stock. The key takeaways from our analysis are that SPXS stock is influenced by a variety of factors, including market volatility, investor sentiment, economic indicators, and competitor analysis. The future performance of the stock is uncertain, but it's clear that investors must be cautious and informed when making investment decisions. What do you think about SPXS stock? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you want to learn more about investing and stay up to date on market insights, be sure to check out my previous video for more information.